Hello, class 6th. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying at your homes, staying fit or healthy. Here we are going to get the answers. Okay, I'm going to give you the answers of lesson number 2. We have studied in the previous video. Okay, I know that you all are enjoying the classes and taking the classes seriously. And I hope that previous chapter you have learned, you have revised, you have understood. Okay, and the second chapter, explanation of second chapter, and the name of the chapter is a balanced diet and good personal hygiene health, right? We studied in the previous chapter, in this chapter about a balanced diet, facts and misgivings. What are the foods we are supposed to eat? Okay, and the benefits of such foods. Then we studied about tips on healthy eating for pre-teens and teens. Okay, pre-teens and teens, some tips we studied, and we studied about tips on personal hygiene. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Okay, now come to the question answer first. Here are your question answers of lesson number 2. The first question is, what is a balanced diet? So the balanced diet is one that provides all essential nutrients to the body in the right proportion, in the right quantity, and at the right time of the day. The next question is, name the different components of food. So different components. A balanced diet must contain different nutritive components of food, that are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers and water in the optimum quantities. Right? Now come to the question number 3. Why are carbohydrates and protein especially needed during adolescence? So adolescents need more protein and carbohydrates for the growth and energy that adults. Okay, then as they are more active and are in rapid growth phase of life. Question number 4, what is meant by personal hygiene? So personal hygiene means keeping yourself neat and clean and to keep diseases away. Question number 5, when should you wash your hands? We should wash our hands properly before and after every meal and after visiting the toilet using soap and warm water. Okay, these are the answers. Now these are the answers of your fill in the blanks. Just below these question answers in your book, matching is there, that I'll give you. Wait, first you write these answers, these are the answers and these are the answers of your fill in the blanks. Now come to the next page. These are the answers of your application question. Okay, there are conditions and where you are supposed to recommend food recommendations. So here are the items which we are supposed to recommend the person. Okay, so you have to write from here. You can see this one. Now come to the next part, that is your matching, just below your question answers in the book. Okay, listen carefully, you have to match these two columns. So protein we are supposed to match here with growth and repairs of tissues. This one is the first answer. Now next one, fiber. Fiber we are supposed to match with aids in digestion. This is the second one. Next, tinned fruit. Tinned fruit we are going to match with unhealthy food here. Then nails and hair, that should be short and well groomed. This is your fourth one. Next, fifth one, towel. Yes, towel is a personal use. We are using towel for personal use. Okay. Now next part, that is your true false. Here you can see true false, that we must eat as much as we can. No, that is false. That is false. Next, second one is fat and vitamin requirements are the maximum during adolescence. No, this is also false. Third one, eating fiber deficient food, fiber lacking food will result in muscles weakening. No. Next one is, we must bath before every meal. No, we should not take bath before every meal. Okay. Next one is, we may share our soap with our siblings. Not at all, we cannot. Okay, this is for personal hygiene. So all true false are false. That will be very easy for you to learn and understand. Okay, Now the next part, remaining part, picture part, where pictures are there. Okay, see this one, that is on page number 13. Here is a picture of no so many vegetables, and the question is, these foods are good for health? Yes, this food is good for health. True. Come to the next page, that is your second. These foods are harmful for health. Which food? Yes, packets are there, chips and all. Obviously this is harmful. True. Next one is, this is a hygiene practice. You can see, dirty utensils here, right? This is false. This is not hygiene practice. Next you can see fourth one, this is not a hygiene practice. Here not is there, okay? Which one? No, this is a hygiene practice. The person is washing the hand, so this is true. I hope you all have understood what you have to do. Book work you have to do in your book, and copy work means question answers you have to complete in your fair notebook. Okay, and learn also during your holidays, because this is the last class, and after that you are going to have holidays, summer holidays, and we will surely we'll be meeting after summer holidays if possible in the school. If not, then again via online classes. So till then, take care, stay fit, stay indoors, stay healthy, okay, and complete your work. Thank you.